Unraveling, depleted, understanding its meaning and use. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting word, depleted. This term is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's explore what depleted means, how to use it, and some examples to solidify your understanding. Get ready to add another word to your English arsenal. Depleted is an adjective that comes from the verb deplete. It describes a state where something has been significantly reduced or used up. This can apply to tangible things like resources, energy, or supplies, as well as more abstract concepts like patience or strength. When something is depleted, it means there isn't much left of it. Now, let's look at how to use depleted in sentences. It's important to understand the context where it's appropriate. Here are some examples. 1. Natural resources. The forest's resources were depleted after years of overlogging. 2. Energy or strength. After the marathon, the runners felt completely depleted. 3. Emotional states. His patience was depleted after hours of waiting in line. 4. Financial resources. The company's funds were rapidly depleted by the costly project. These sentences show that depleted can describe a variety of situations where something is exhausted or used up. To broaden your vocabulary, it's helpful to know words with similar and opposite meanings. Synonyms: exhausted, drained, spent, diminished. Antonyms: replenished, restored, full, abundant. Understanding these can help you choose the right word for different contexts. When using depleted, remember, it's typically used with objects or resources, not emotions or feelings. E.g., it's less common to say, his happiness was depleted. Be careful with tense. Depleted is already past tense, so you don't need to say depleted. Great job on learning about depleted today. I hope this video has helped you understand this useful word and how to use it in your daily English. Remember, practicing new vocabulary and sentences is key to mastery. So, try creating your own sentences with depleted and share them in the comments below. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.